Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well and everybody is fine, and with all the news that is coming that California burning and so on and so forth, there's some flood and all that. So just be out of all these things. Do not keep all these things. These things keeps happening. We cannot do anything for the natural calamity that happens in our life. So today's topic is red flags in relationship. Relationship is very dicey, and everybody is not very lucky when considered relationship as a whole. Be it men or be it women, both we face the same things. Okay, so I'm not biased. Ki men will do this and women won't do. No, I'm not biased. So whenever you see that your needs are not met, whenever you see that a person is controlling you, whenever you see a person is lying to you, whenever you see a person is, he's not keeping up to his words, whatever he's saying is he or she, okay? He or she is not keeping up to their words. That means what? You're in a toxic relationship. You just leave that kind of a relationship. Before leaving, first you try. Like you just talk to your partner, whoever it is. You talk to them and let them know that what is bothering you. Sometimes there are people who just does not speak up, and when they do not speak up, the thing keeps on boiling up, and then one day the volcano erupts. So do not do that. Okay, you have a problem, you just directly speak to that person, your partner, and tell him that this is the thing that I am not able to understand. Then if he is really loyal enough, he's going to sit you down and he's going to definitely talk to you and sort the things, and next onwards you will see that the things is sorted out. But in case after speaking about all these things and things are not working out, that means what? The person is not really into you, and you're just spending most of your emotions into that relationship. So in that case, it is very hard breaking, I can understand, but you need to take a stand for yourself. That at that time you need to understand, need to make yourself very strong, and then have to take a decision whether you want to be in such a kind of a relationship where you have to, compromise yourself, your well-being, your inner peace and all that. And you want to stay in that, or you want to leave it. I would say that if your inner peace is not getting addressed, if you're not at peace, it's better you just leave that relationship and move ahead and have a happy life. You can be very happy even if you are single. Okay, so invest in yourself, invest in upscaling yourself, learn some skills so that you're financially, everybody, be it men or be it women, everybody should be financially very sound. Okay, you should have that much of capacity that you can earn your own living and just move out of those kind of a relationship, because those kind of relationship has no meaning in our life, right? So with this I end here today, and I hope you people will be coming again to listen to my videos. And recently somebody had contacted me over email that my motivational videos are not coming. Actually, I was focusing more on shorts and focusing less on videos. But then again I have thought that okay, in a week I am going to upload at least one video, be it anything, be it a business related video or be it any motivational related video, or anything that, or sometimes I give geopolitical videos also. So anything that comes up, I'll be uploading it for you. And now on, every Saturday or Sunday you will get a regular video, and then weekly I think I'm giving shorts also, which you people are watching and enjoying it a lot. Thank you. Thanks for the response that you are giving me. And with that I end here. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Ayushi Bose, Motivational and Business Speaker. This I am saying because so that more and more people should get to know, and through you also the reach of my video should be growing, so that other people who are also having such kind of a problem, they should also be coming and joining and getting a relief kind of thing. If I'm able to help others, it's a very, it brings lots of happiness to me. Okay, thank you.